We've all heard how amazing chia seeds are for weight loss. They're everywhere, in smoothies, in chia water, sprinkled on salads. But here's the truth. Chia seeds are not the only option for fat loss. In fact, there's a powerful seed duo that burns more fat than chia seeds and shrinks your waistline even faster. And the surprising part, hardly anyone is talking about it. So today I'm going to share with you this alternative seed combination that research shows works especially well for people struggling with stubborn belly fat. Chia seeds, why they're good but not enough. Now don't get me wrong, chia seeds are fantastic. They're high in omega-3s, especially ALA, which is important for vegans and vegetarians. They're also loaded with fiber, nearly 10 grams in just 2 tablespoons. And because they expand in your stomach, they help you feel full so you eat less. By that logic, chia seeds should be the perfect weight loss food. But here's the catch, for many people, chia seeds don't work well against stubborn belly fat. They don't attack it from all angles, and that's where this 2-seed fat-burning combo comes in. The better 2-seed combo for fat loss. The first seed is flax seeds. Flax seeds' benefits and how they work. You may already know flax seeds or flax oil because, well, they're rich in omega-3s, but most people aren't using them in the right way to actually shed belly fat. A 2017 meta-analysis looked at 45 randomized controlled trials on flax seeds and weight loss. The results were honestly shocking. Flax seeds significantly reduced body weight, BMI, and waist circumference. In some studies, people lost up to 2 inches off their waist in just a few weeks. So, why are flax seeds so effective? They're packed with soluble fiber, which slows digestion and keeps you full longer than chia seeds. They're high in omega-3s that help fight inflammation, and they contain these unique plant compounds called lignans. These compounds influence fat metabolism, support estrogen balance, and help especially women lose stubborn belly fat. Research also shows flax seeds improve cholesterol, lower inflammation, and support hormonal health. But here's the key, you must use ground flax seeds. Whole flax seeds pass through your digestive system without breaking down, so you just won't get the benefits. And the magic number is 30 grams per day. That's what studies use to see significant fat loss. The second seed in this fat-burning combo is fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds, hidden fat-burning power. Most people don't know much about fenugreek seeds, but they've been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. And now, modern science is confirming their benefits. Research shows that fenugreek seeds improve insulin sensitivity, lower blood sugar, reduce fat storage, and suppress appetite. They work especially well for women with hormonal issues like PCOS. Fenugreek contains a special soluble fiber called galactomannan. When it reaches your stomach, it swells, slows digestion, balances blood sugar, and prevents those sugar spikes that cause fat storage. The only challenge? Fenugreek seeds don't taste great. Their flavor can be bitter and unusual, so it takes time to get used to. The magic of combining flax plus fenugreek. Now here's where things get exciting. When you combine ground flax seeds with fenugreek seeds, you create a fat-burning, hunger-suppressing, hormone-balancing powerhouse. Together, they keep you full longer, reduce inflammation, improve fat metabolism, lower carb and sugar cravings, prevent insulin spikes, and push your body into fat-burning mode. In short, they attack stubborn belly fat from multiple angles. How to use this seed combo effectively. So, how do you actually use them? Morning ground flax seeds. Start your day with 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds. You can add them to your smoothies, stir into water, mix with oatmeal, or sprinkle over any breakfast. This kickstarts your metabolism and gets your body into fat-burning mode early in the day. Evening fenugreek seeds. For fenugreek, soak 1 teaspoon of seeds in water for at least 10 to 12 hours. Before dinner, chew the seeds and drink the soaking water. If you really can't tolerate the taste, fenugreek supplements are an option. Look for around 500 to 1,000 milligrams per serving. Taking it before dinner helps control insulin spikes so your body can burn fat while you sleep. So there you have it. A lesser-known seed combo that burns belly fat even better than chia seeds. Remember, chia seeds are healthy, but if you're not seeing results, or if you want to attack belly fat from every angle, flax and fenugreek might be the game changer you've been looking for. Give this combo a try for a few weeks, and see the difference in your waistline, your cravings, and your energy levels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Until next time, take care, and keep working toward a healthier, stronger you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.